That it helps to clean the face and remove every dirt. Put some on my wipe, and then I clean the face. Hairs down, and then we cut it from the groomed line. Then look towards me. Down. Down again. This just helps you to have a very moist blending. Now, if your blending is moist, you will realize that you will not have all them cakey foundation, cakey skin work. So now we apply our primer all over the face. So I apply this primer here and I lift it from here. So I apply, Do we see these two foundations?
Yes.
Which one is looking reddish among the two? This?
Yes.
I'm just going to put this here. So do we believe it's a shade?
Yes.
Yes. Soft beauty blender goes really in as you press. Okay? So get a soft one. And this is my foundation. And then she doesn't have blemishes on the skin. So we should work with light coverage. Now we're going to highlight, put it under the eyes. Look up. And then I take it up the nose to help us reduce the size of the nose also. These are your highlight regions, and then you blend. Tap gently. Try not to spread your highlight. So you can see it's supposed to be here and it stopped here. Some people, by the time they are done blending the highlights to get here, then the full face will now be the same color. The full face is now highlighted. Hairline. Now we contour into the temple. Just use the arc measurements as temple. From the temple down to this forehead area, to this temple down. We're going to contour all of it. The beauty blender, the side that has the bright shade, put it in between the contour and the highlight where the two meet and just run it. So this helps you to make sure there is no harsh line anywhere. So now, do you see how the forehead looks? As if this light is shining just here, right? We're going to create the Y shape, starting from the head of the brow. Okay. Then we'll cover the whole of this area with contour. Then we'll take it down. Now we blend. I'll come back with the concealer. See here now, I'll open it up, correct this shape, correct this shape. Okay, then I blend. I'm gonna tap on this and this. Now this goes on here. So we're supposed to use powder shade that blends with the color of our highlight. Now, even if you don't have that exact shade or something brighter and you have white, you can mix. So I'm going to use this brighter shade, mix it with white. While her eyes are still up, I will now drop my highlight powder. We'll contour with this shade so that it doesn't make her dark but still tones her down. Round the hairline. Cheekbone. And then the jawline. I'm going to concentrate on making the tail sharp. I'm going to just extend here a bit, and then I'm going to stroke the head of the brow. Add some strokes. With my pencil. Add some strokes, trying to create a very natural looking brow. So this is a brow taper. It's just like an edge control, and I brush it in. So I'm kind of trying to make space in between the brows. You just make sure you clean out the under part. Let the hairs, be there. Let the shape be good, but it's not about having, see how these hairs now came out above the line I drew. Yes, for natural brows, it is okay, but as it's okay like that, let it be that the shape is clean. So I'm going to sharpen up this tail. If you go like this, you open up the skin, so you just kind of dab it with the brush. So only here it's permitted to have highlights. So blend it down. This brown one here, and use it to sharpen. It's supposed to not be visible, but at least it helps you make sure that area is sharp. the concealer and blend it all over the eyes. So we're going to transit with a natural shade. Okay. To pink. So I'm going to use this pink color here, peach. Let me see if it's blended. Okay. So I'll start with just light purple, look up to the ceiling. So I'll place it there. So I'm using it to smoke out the outer V. A purple eyeliner. Drag the skin down so they put it for the waterline. See this white? With my flat angle brush, I'll lift it. So I put it inside here. This is the one they call the waterline. This effect kind of opens up the eyes, makes the eye look bigger. Close your eyes. Then we'll extend it from this top part. Extend it from there out. We now join it from here. If you don't darken it before you fix the lashes, it will be showing from underneath. So to darken it, look down. I'll run the mascara first through the lashes. So I get it to the roots, and then I now do the regular mascara application. I put this one down here. I run the mascara. If you're about to tell me, so I move my hand. I put it back. Put it again. We put the inner corner by the beginning of the lash lane. You can see it's not on the liquid liner. It's directly on top of her lashes. So I'll drag the skin up, reveal the other end, and put it. Then you press You press the natural lash with the artificial lash together. And on the cheek. So this will give it the glossy skin finish, which is the trendy way of doing makeup these days. Then use it by the temple. I tap lightly, and then I put it up just on the under eye. The pointy part of the nose and in between the eyes. This for in between the eyes, and this for the pointy part of the nose. So with just these 2 points highlighted, the nose looks pointy on the face. Now we have matte eyeshadow on the eyes, so I will cover it to spray. I clean up the lip a bit. We're going to line with brown. Then I come in with this shade, then blend. Then I'm gonna take white and blend into the inner, open your lips, inner part of the lips to soften this lip color. Darker shade of the brown. So now I'm coming back with the brown. Lips. Okay. Is it video? Yeah. Okay, look through. Straight. Smile.